Have you ever spent hours trying to bake homemade bread, only to end up with a dense loaf that barely tastes fresh? Or maybe you wanted to make bread at home, but felt it was simply too complicated. If that sounds familiar, today's product might completely change your baking routine. Today we're taking a closer look at the Gleedelish 2-pound bread maker machine, a fully automatic bread maker designed for beginners, busy families, and anyone who wants fresh homemade bread without the hassle. With 25 baking programs, an automatic fruits and nuts dispenser, and customizable loaf sizes, it promises to handle almost everything for you. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is how approachable this machine feels. Instead of looking intimidating with dozens of complicated controls, the interface is straightforward enough that even first-time users can figure it out within minutes. The viewing window lets you watch the kneading and baking process, which is surprisingly satisfying, while the insulated handle makes removing the bread pan much safer after baking. The nonstick ceramic-coated pan also feels like a thoughtful upgrade because it helps the loaf release easily without sticking, making cleanup much less frustrating than traditional baking pans. One feature that immediately separates this bread maker from many entry-level models is the built-in automatic dispenser. Rather than standing nearby, waiting for the right moment to add raisins, nuts, seeds, or dried fruit, the machine releases them automatically during the proper stage of the baking cycle. That small convenience makes a big difference, especially if you prefer waking up to fresh bread using the delay timer. Performance is where the Gleedelish machine earns most of its value. The 650-watt heating system provides consistent heat throughout the baking process, helping produce loaves with a nicely brown crust and a soft interior. Whether you're making classic white bread, whole wheat, multigrain, French bread, or gluten-free recipes, the machine does an impressive job of handling the kneading, rising, and baking with very little effort from you. It also offers yogurt, jam, and dough programs, giving it far more flexibility than a machine that's limited to basic bread recipes. Another nice surprise is how quietly it operates. During kneading, you'll certainly hear the motor working, but it's noticeably quieter than many bread makers in this price range. If you schedule an overnight bake using the 13-hour delay timer, it isn't likely to become an annoying distraction while you're relaxing or sleeping. For busy households, that convenience alone can make homemade bread much easier to fit into a normal routine. Cleaning is equally beginner-friendly. The removable ceramic pan prevents most dough from sticking, so a quick rinse with warm water is usually enough after baking. Since both the bread pan and ingredient dispenser are dishwasher safe, maintenance stays simple even if you're baking several times a week. Of course, no appliance is perfect. The Gleedelish offers plenty of baking programs, but new users may need a little time to experiment before finding the perfect settings for their favorite recipes. Like most bread machines, ingredient measurements also need to be reasonably accurate to get the best results. Thankfully, the included measuring tools and recipe book help shorten that learning curve considerably. So who should buy it? If you're new to bread making, have a busy schedule, or simply want fresh homemade bread without spending hours in the kitchen, this machine makes a lot of sense. It's also a great choice for families that enjoy experimenting with different bread recipes, gluten-free baking, pizza dough, or homemade jams. If you're a professional baker looking for complete manual control over every step, you may still prefer traditional methods. Overall, the Gleedelish 2-pound bread maker delivers exactly what most home bakers are looking for. It's easy to use, versatile, quiet, simple to clean, and packed with useful features that genuinely make homemade bread more accessible. Instead of turning bread making into another complicated kitchen project, it simplifies the entire process while still producing consistently satisfying results. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. And if you're thinking about bringing fresh homemade bread into your daily routine, check the link in the description before any current deals disappear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.